2026 is coming. So what are your health challenges that you want to overcome this coming year? For me, I really want to focus on having a really good night's sleep. And there's so many reasons why I never really had a good night's sleep. And I'm gonna tell you why. Because when I went to college, I was 16 years old. Wala pa yung K to 12 noon. And we know that when you go to college, graduate school, postgraduate studies, residency, yung mga yan, they usually require a lot of your time trying to learn the craft. So there are many nights and early morning that you have to burn to study, to learn, to read. And those are probably the reasons why nakukulangan talaga ako ng tulog, maski noon pa. And then when I moved here in the US, I had more children. And you know, being a mother is very difficult. Lalo na kung buntis ka, syempre mahirap talaga matulog. Merong mga posisyon na hindi mo talaga pwedeng na dapat higaan. What I'm trying to say is there's so many positions when you're a pregnant woman that you can only sleep on. And it's uncomfortable most of the time. Ihi ng ihi. So talagang walang magandang sleep. And I have 6 children. And if you are in my age too, kasi not postmenopausal, premenopausal na ako. So you usually have health challenges when it comes to sleeping too. So that's what I want to focus on this 2026 or the coming few days, Kasi sleep is very important, and we know for those who are not sleeping properly, you decrease your natural killer cells activity, and these NK cells, they are important in keeping your body safe, healthy, and strong, kasi yun yung mga pumapatay ng cancer cells. And there are studies that tells us that just one night that you are not sleeping properly, it decreases the activities of your natural killer cells. So yun lang. What about yours? What are your health challenges that you wanna overcome this coming year? Bye!